Okay guys, I've got a quick vid on where handy dandy tools come in handy. There's two videos associated with this transmission fluid and filter change. One is on bit quality, I'll link it, and this one is on bit access. So I've got a big transmission cross member here, and I can do some dissection, but I can just tell you there is no way I can get to that bit without some surgery, unless I have nicer tools. Well, let me show you what I've got. These Wiha bits are removable from their doodad, from their socket. Let's get out into a more civilized working location than under a vid. Okay, so here we are at the lovely four-wheeler workbench. This little set screw here, a little 2mm set screw, you can back it up and pull the bit out of the socket. Yeah. Pliers. But you buy that socket and you can access your bit. So then, this little easy red adjustable flex head, it's got a 1/4-inch ratchet here on this side, and on this side it's got a 1/4-inch bit holder. So I'm thinking that will get where that setup could not. Let's see how it works out. And just to give myself a little bit of hand clearance, this easy red thing is adjustable. So I'll back it up to there. Nice and easy. Okay, let's check on this one over here. Slightly less challenging to reach, but still wouldn't be able to get in because of that transmission cross member. Good and tight. Nothing to it, guys. And that is where having a variety of tools, or tools that are kind of morphable, comes in handy.